All confidence to forge aheadstems. From the initial passion for technological innovation. From tentative beginnings to steady development, RadioLink is focused on their search and development and commercial application of unmanned control technology. Over the past 23 years, we have rejected the industry's impulsive chase-off leading trends, stayed true to our original aspiration, unrefined technologies and products with dedication. Evolved from single accessory research to an integrated tech firm with independent R&D, design, and manufacturing. We remain unwavering in our mission and keep moving forward. Rooted in Shenzhen's thriving innovation ecosystem, RadioLink's headquarters is located in the heart of Futian District. We operate at 1,800 square meter Industry 4.0 intelligent manufacturing base in Fenggang, Dongguan. Our independent brand RadioLink's completed trademark layout, covering core markets including China, the European Union, and the United States. Our products are sold in 197 countries and regions worldwide, winning the trust and recognition of global users. We have obtained a total of 47 core intellectual property rights, including invention patents, utility model patents, and software copyrights. Meanwhile, the company has passed 73 authoritative certifications at home and abroad. We control product quality with strict international standards and connect with the global market with solid scientific and technological strength. We have developed the industry's first full domestic processor flight control solution, breaking the technical restrictions of overseas ships. Our exclusive flight control system with high dynamic algorithms is now widely applied in manned aircraft and high-speed autonomous unmanned aerial vehicles. Our market-proven remote controllers with anti-interference communication technology have become mainstream control equipment for automobiles, robots, industrial, agricultural land safety fields. Deeply rooted in the unmanned aerial vehicle industry, we sincerely respond to every customer's feedback and demands. We have built a 3-segment product matrix, covering core complete equipment and industry application solutions. From the sky to the ground, from professional use to popular use, we'd not define the boundaries of flight. We deliver full stack independent technical strength to provide the most suitable solution for every demand. One person's aspiration starts a journey. A team's passion carries forward great achievements. For more than decades of perseverance through ups and downs, we stay true to original aspiration and live up to our passion. RadioLink connects endless possibilities worldwide.